Good morning, guys. We're gonna load in. We're gonna start charting up. Did reach new all-time highs. Let's take a look. So I already did some of the charting. I'll just break it down for you guys. Let me see over here. You can see from last week, we had swept these lows, pushed up. Got the OT right over here. Held off of that. We pushed up. This one was our range, but we held right here off of the imbalance, as well as if I go to MES, MES had a deeper retrace into that fair value gap, while MAQ held with strength, and then we pushed up higher, broke above previous day highs. Right now I think we're looking for liquidity. I think we are still bullish. I'm waiting for a sweep on these Asia lows, London lows, and then probably push to even newer all-time highs. That is the game plan going into today. I am a little bit cautious, just because we are at all-time highs. But for now, I'm keeping a bullish bias. We're gonna risk one here. See how it goes.
I know that you're gonna love him. Come eat my panties off of me. Do whatever you feel comes naturally. 'Cause I wanna let my hair down. Is that alright? Is that okay? Hey, hey. 'Cause I wanna let my hair down. Is that alright? Is that okay? Hey, hey. You're blonde tonight, if that's what you like. Stilettos and fishnets, if that's what you like. I'll be your hot mess, schoolgirl and curls. Whatever your type, baby, if that's what you like, I'll do it.
Alright, quick recap for the end of the video. I'm gonna let you guys in on the mistakes that I made today, so hopefully you can avoid them later on. So at the start of the video, I mentioned I was bullish today, and I was looking for a sweep of London lows. So we got to London lows here. We swept it. It was pretty weak, and then we broke back down below it. Over here, I kind of got faked out a little bit. Got to change the state of delivery that left the fair value gap behind, and I tried the split screen feature with MES because I thought it would be beneficial, but it actually hurt me today. Because as you can see, I took the trade because around that same time I saw this huge spike in MES, and I was like, okay, MES is catching steam. MQ will follow behind. Unfortunately, as you can see here, uh, MES didn't complete the sweep yet. So there was no real basis for us to take that long, and that was a mistake on my part. Um, on top of that, today's bias was actually not uh, bullish; it was bearish, which I kind of suspected. Because over here I just wasn't exactly sure, because I'm mostly like structure trader. As you can see, like I mentioned earlier, we had the bullish structure, and we played off a OT over here. And we pushed up, but no changes to the delivery, no market structure shifts, so we were just waiting for that sweep. That's what we thought was gonna happen. But if you go to a 4 hour, you see it broke above yesterday's high, and then in the next 4 hour candle, we broke down right below it. However, for my personal strategy, there was no change in state of delivery or market structure shift after we broke below that, so I didn't have any real solid confirmation that our bias flipped. Most would say this inverse fair value gap. Don't like. I personally don't like higher time frame fair value gaps. I'd much rather wait for confirmation like change in state of delivery or market structure shift, followed by a what's it called? A retracement on the 1 hour. So just had our bias wrong and our entry wrong for today, but we didn't take any further trades after that. So we're keeping the discipline one and done for the day. I'll be back tomorrow with another trade. Hopefully we'll have some better price action. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next video.